Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your fade in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. Here we are at the main page. Here we can do all sort of things, but we're just gonna focus on one thing today. We're gonna click on this blue button at the top called Photo Editor. Okay, here we have to select the photo which you want to edit. I'm going to choose this random one with a tattoo. At the bottom there are different buttons here, but we're just going to click on adjustments, effects. Let's just swipe to the right a little bit, and here we have fade. Okay, now you have this thing here which you can adjust, and you can really play with it. You can adjust it as much as you would like. So yeah, you can customize it as much as you would like. This is how you adjust your fade. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.